Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to build and protect their wealth: financial security. Whether you're just starting out or well on your way, understanding the basics of wealth protection can make a significant difference in your financial future. 1. Diversification. The first step to protecting your wealth is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across various asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash equivalents. This strategy helps reduce risk, as a downturn in one area may be offset by gains in another. 2. Emergency fund. An emergency fund is a safety net that can help you weather unexpected financial storms. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This fund can cover costs like medical bills, job loss, or major home repairs without dipping into your long-term investments. 3. Insurance. Insurance is a vital tool for protecting your wealth. Consider these types of insurance. Homeowners or renters insurance protects your property and belongings from damage or theft. Auto insurance covers damage to your vehicle and liability for accidents. Health insurance pays for medical expenses, including doctor visits, hospital stays, and prescription drugs. Disability insurance provides income replacement if you become unable to work due to illness or injury. Life insurance protects your loved ones financially in the event of your death. Estate planning. Estate planning ensures that your assets are distributed according to your wishes after you pass away. Key components of estate planning include Shem Will, a legal document that outlines how you want your assets to be distributed. Trust, a legal arrangement that allows you to transfer assets to beneficiaries while maintaining control over them. 8. Power of attorney. Designates someone to make financial decisions on your behalf if you become incapacitated. Healthcare proxy. Designates someone to make medical decisions for you if you are unable to do so yourself. 5. Regular review. Your financial situation is constantly evolving. It's essential to review your wealth protection strategy regularly to ensure it aligns with your changing needs and goals. Consider working with a financial advisor to help you make informed decisions. By implementing these strategies, you can take significant steps toward protecting your wealth and securing your financial future. Remember, it's never too early to start planning. So, take action today and build a solid foundation for your financial well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more financial tips.